Hi guys, it's Mauricio from Mygo Consulting. We're going to demo our work order apps. As you can see, it's actually two apps. We have one to create the work order and one to display the work order list, as well as some editing functionality. We'll go through that, but let's get started by creating our work order. So as you can see here, it's broken down into four sections. We got our header information, our operation, our components, and our attachments. We'll go through each one, but let's start with the header information. So we're going to start by selecting our plant. After that, we're going to go ahead and select the equipment that needs to get worked on. I'm going to select the oscillograph. We're going to select our work center. And then finally, we're going to set the priority level for this work. We're going to click Save, and then you're going to see the dialog box pop up. Save successfully. Perfect. So now we're going to run through that again, except this time, no Wi-Fi. You're in a dead zone. You dropped your computer in the lake. No big deal. We're going to do everything exactly the same. You see that red icon at the top? That means we're working in offline. So again, we're going to do everything we just did. We're going to select our item. This time we're going to do test software. We're going to select our work center. And then again, we'll select the priority level for this work. And when we hit save, this time you're going to see save successfully in offline. Okay? So to complete the scenario, let's go ahead and pop our Wi-Fi back on. We're back at the workstation, where you get Wi-Fi. And so once we get our little dialog box saying that we're connected to the Wi-Fi, coming up any second now, there it is. Then we can go down in the corner. There's going to be this little green button. You see it right there. You click that to push it through. Uploaded successfully, synced. Perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. So now to run through the rest of the application. Operation. This is where you can determine how many hours, or not determine, but put in how many hours it's going to take to complete the work. So we'll just put it in 10 hours. No big deal. Move on. Component. This is where you get to determine what material. Unfortunately for this, we don't have any dummy data. I apologize. We'll just type it in text. No big deal. So let's type in screws, for example. Alright, there it is. Hit OK. Move on. Attachment. This is if you want to add any sort of JPEG, any PDF file. You can pull it up directly from your device and attach it. No problem. Actually, one more thing before I get out of here that I do want to show you. Let me just, hold on a second, let's pop back in there. We can release the work orders directly from here as well. So you just click that button, easy as pie, one touch. Set it to Tico, done. Alright, so now that we did that, let's run through the other application. So as you can see here on the screen as it pulls up, we're able to filter through the work order list using whatever criteria we choose that we use to input. You know, the plant, the material, the function, location, the date, whatever it is that you want to sort it by. But we're going to keep everything blank and run it so that way we get everything that we've been working on recently. So you see it synced successfully, great. And you can see here the top two items that we just created, the oscillograph and the test software. One was online, one was offline. Let me actually switch it over to landscape view so you can see this a little bit easier now. And so there they are. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how we can actually edit these documents in here as well. So we're going to open it up, and we're going to do this actually from offline functionality as well. So let's go ahead and switch. Dead zone, here we go. We're offline. You're going to see the little red icon. There it is. We're offline. Waiting for our little bubble saying that we're disconnected from our Wi-Fi. There it is. Alright, so let's switch this back into portrait mode for a second. It's a little easier for me to use. And then we're going to click that edit button, and we're going to just put a little note in here. Just something quick to show you guys that it's working. So we're going to just type in dead zone, and then we're going to hit save. And just like last time, you're going to get that same dialog box, saved successfully in offline. So we're going to go ahead and complete the scenario. We're going to get back online. We're going to wait for that same dialog box saying that the Wi-Fi is connected again. Any second now. And there it is. And then the same thing, we're going to hit that green button to push it through, and it's going to say, hopefully, there it is, updated, perfect. And you can see it right there, dead zone popped up in the little notes. You can see it right there on the screen. So that is about it for our demo today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, if you have any questions, you can feel free to contact us. Here's our information. Day or night, we are always here to support your end-to-end SAP needs. So until the next time, guys, have a great day. Thanks.